Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. In Montana, a bill of sale is actually optional, but it's still a good idea to have to keep record of the sale. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have the bill of sale filled out if necessary, and exchange payment. If you need to replace the title, you can apply for a duplicate at your county's treasury office. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. Make sure you remove them before the new owner takes possession of the vehicle. If you don't, you might be held liable if the new owner gets a ticket or is involved in an accident. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.